Another spring storm marching through Northern California tonight, the start of unsettled weather for Easter holiday weekend. And the valley seeing widespread showers tonight. Let's take a live look from our Modesto sky cam on the left, and then on the right, the Sierra, getting some more snow. Thanks for joining us for the CBS 13 News at 5. I'm Marley Ginter.
And I'm Curtis Meng. The rain, too much for the Sacramento River Cats. Their home opener was canceled just minutes ago. Well, you can see the windshield wipers are on in Elk Grove tonight. The rain has not been real heavy so far, but it is coming down steadily. We're also seeing some cold and gusty winds. The storm also creating slick conditions up in the Sierra. Traffic on I-80 held for a bit. Too many spinouts. Chain controls are on and off all day long. They have been. Right now, they're not needed on either 80 or 50.
Now, we do have team coverage for you tonight, tracking the storm's impact on the evening commute and weekend travel. Want to start things off in the high country with CBS 13's Andrew Hobner live for us in Nyack. Hi, Andrew.
Hey guys, it was pretty crazy earlier today. A multiple car collision as well as chain controls made our trip from Colfax to Nyack, normally 15 miles, take about an hour and a half. The roads are clearer now, but people are still bracing for more winter weather and potential traffic disruptions.
Steve Wolf and his wife are on the road to Gardnerville.
Weekend for the holiday?
Yeah, for the holiday. We'll come back on Monday.
And expected some slowdowns.
We left earlier than usual because we thought this would happen, and sure shooting it did.
On I-80, traffic at a near standstill.
It's pretty much bumper to bumper, like standstill almost.
Mike Albuquerque is traveling from Santa Rosa to Nevada.
A few buddies of mine said that there was going to be chain control open, but as soon as the traffic cleared away, it just broke free.
And while he says this is a run-of-the-mill spring storm on the roads, he needs to be careful.
The thing that I really do look out for is like black ice. You know, it's unavoidable, but you just got to drive slower than normal.
As traffic finally let up, Wolf and his wife got back on the highway.
We come up here often, and this kind of thing happens. I-80 is known for having these kind of backups.
His way to pass time in traffic?
I always have a book in the car, and my wife is driving, but we talk, and sometimes we can get a radio.
In the spring on I-80, you never know what the road may throw at you.
You can't text, of course, but just listen to music, vibe out, just hang out. You're not going anywhere.
Now, especially as we get into the evening hours, exercise caution on the roads because this is the period of time where all of these puddles start to turn into ice as the temperature gets colder overnight.